How to make money as a photographer. One of the most frequently asked questions in the past, in the present, and in the future. That's right, my friends, it's Money Monday or Photography Marketing Monday. It's the first episode of this series on this channel. You might want to subscribe. My name is Zdenka Darula. I work as a photographer for many years. I'm a former model and a few other things. Today's episode will cover the most important topic when it comes to photography marketing. It is something I didn't do at the beginning when I was starting out, and I deeply regret it because I would probably have a lot of bookings right away from the beginning. I am talking about email marketing. If you are very active on social media and have very large list of followers, you might oppose to email marketing. But what would happen if your Facebook or Instagram account got deleted tomorrow? It would take a very long time to get those followers back, right? Email lists are something you can own and back them up. There is very little or no risk of losing them. It is the most effective marketing method because people tend to respond more to something coming to their inbox than rather seeing it on a social media feed. If you are using Gmail or Entourage to send out mass emails, you are most likely not reaching your customers due to their system. For a better chance of reaching users' inbox, you should look either into MailerLite or MailChimp. MailerLite is free up to 1,000 subscribers. MailChimp is free up to 2,000 subscribers. They both offer templates and a wide range of online support articles. Legally, you cannot just send mass promotional emails to your clients and customers. The best way of doing it is to create an option on your website within contact form. Now, lots of people don't like subscribing to newsletters because simply they don't want to get more emails. So you will need to be a little bit more proactive. You will need to offer something to win them over. You can either offer discount code or coupons for your services or products, or you can offer free tips or checklists. For example, how to get ready for a photo shoot or how to be better in posing in front of the camera and so on. If you offer something like that, you might have a better chance of them signing up. Once you grow your list of email subscribers, you are ready to send your special offers. That means more sales and more bookings. Thank you for watching Money Monday or Photography Marketing Monday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for all future videos in this series. Let me know if you are using email marketing for your business and what experience you have with it, please in the comment section below. If you have any questions, comments, or simply wants to say hello, do so there as well. I'll see you next time again. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Ahoj.